Hey everyone, have you ever been stuck between a rock and a hard place financially? Maybe an unexpected bill showed up, or your car decided to take a vacation on you at the worst possible time. We've all been there. That's where services like beforepay come in. They offer a tempting solution, access to a portion of your paycheck before payday itself. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you jump on the beforepay bandwagon, there's one crucial question. How much does it actually cost? What is beforepay and how does it work? Let's take a step back for a second. Beforepay is an example of a service called Earned Wage Access, EWA. Basically, they give you access to a certain amount of the money you've already earned but haven't technically been paid yet. There are a few different EWA providers out there, but beforepay is a popular option. Here's how it works. Let's say you get paid bi-weekly, and it's Tuesday. You still have a whole week to go until payday, but your car needs a repair you can't afford to wait on. Beforepay lets you access a portion of your upcoming paycheck, say $100, to cover that repair. Then, on your regular payday, beforepay deducts the amount you borrowed, plus any fees, from your paycheck. So, what's the catch? Sounds like a win-win, right? Well, not exactly. While EWA services can be a lifesaver in a pinch, there are definitely some things to consider before you sign up. The biggest question mark? Fees. Beforepay fees, breaking it down. Beforepay doesn't charge traditional interest rates. Instead, they have a flat fee system. There are two main fees to be aware of. Transaction fee. This is a one-time fee you pay when you access your money. It can be a fixed amount, like $1, or a percentage of the amount you borrow, like 1%. Subscription fee. Optional. Beforepay offers an optional subscription service. This typically comes with a monthly fee and may offer benefits like unlimited access or higher withdrawal limits. The cost can add up quickly. Let's look at an example. Say you need $50 to hold you over until payday. Beforepay charges a 1% transaction fee, so that's 50 cents. Seems reasonable, right? But here's the thing, if you use beforepay every other week, those fees start to add up. Over a year, that could be $52 just in transaction fees. And that's not all. Beforepay also offers a subscription service for a monthly fee. This might seem convenient, but again, those monthly fees become an extra cost you need to factor in. Beforepay versus traditional options. Here's the thing, beforepay isn't your only option when you're in a financial bind. Let's compare it to some other choices. Credit card. Credit cards can be a dangerous game, but if you have good credit and can pay your balance in full by the due date, you won't incur any interest charges. Payday loan. These are often seen as a last resort. They come with high interest rates and can trap you in a cycle of debt. Emergency fund. This is the golden standard. Having a set amount of savings to cover unexpected expenses is the best way to avoid relying on credit or EWA services. The bottom line, is beforepay worth it? Beforepay can be a helpful tool in a pinch, but it's important to weigh the costs before you use it. Here are some things to consider. Frequency of use. If you only need beforepay occasionally, the fees might be manageable. But if you find yourself using it all the time, it could become a significant expense. Alternatives. Are there other options available, like a credit card with a good introductory offer or dipping into a small emergency savings fund? Beforepay can be a valuable service, but it's not a magic bullet. Do your research, understand the fees, and make sure it's the right choice for your situation. Remember, beforepay is a tool, and like any tool, it can be helpful or harmful depending on how you use it. Use it responsibly, and make sure the fees don't outweigh the benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.